Could those seemingly harmless Carfax entries be red flags when you're buying a used car from a dealer? Let's find out. Welcome to the channel. Every day I explore personal finance questions that real people are asking on Stack Exchange and highlight the top answers from the community as well as any key takeaways. If you're new here, consider subscribing for daily videos just like this one. All right, let's take a look at today's question and break it down. Today we're exploring a common question. Are certain Carfax details warning signs when buying a used car? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So in summary, someone's thinking about buying a 2021 car but has concerns after checking the Carfax report. It mentions a glass repair, a failed safety inspection in 2024, and the car being sold at auction. They're unsure if these issues should be deal breakers and are considering asking the dealer for more information to help make a decision. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. According to one reply, a windshield can be damaged by something as simple as a stone. Failing a safety inspection after 3 years might suggest poor maintenance, while selling a car at auction could imply the owner wanted to offload it quickly. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. Here's another answer that was shared in the Stack Exchange thread. Like before, I'm going to scroll through it quickly, so feel free to pause the video if you want to read it yourself. Otherwise, I'll highlight the main points of this answer in just a few seconds. One response points out that vehicle inspections differ depending on the state, with some needing annual checks and others only during title transfers. Cars can fail for things like cracked windshields. Also, some buyers like to have their own mechanic inspect the car before buying despite dealer assurances. Here's one last answer from original post on Stack Exchange. I'll quickly scroll through the answer so you can read it. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. And just like before, I'll be highlighting the main points of this answer for you in just a few seconds. One response points out that it's wise to have a trusted mechanic inspect a used car to understand its current and future service needs. The mechanic's report can help determine the car's value and guide negotiations. If the dealer refuses, it might be best to consider another vehicle. Alright, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. A failed safety inspection might hint at underlying issues, so it's wise to have a trusted mechanic give the car a thorough check. Glass repairs could be as minor as a windshield chip. It's best to ask the dealer for specifics. If the car was sold at auction, find out why and make sure you get a detailed vehicle history. So, here's what we've learned. A failed safety inspection might hint at maintenance issues, so having a trusted mechanic check things out is crucial. Glass repairs could be minor, so ask the dealer for details. If a car was sold at auction, find out why. An independent mechanic's inspection can uncover hidden problems and help with buying decisions. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.